Hello, my dear students. Today in this class, we will discuss numerical problem. Question number 1. By using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix this. These questions related to elementary transformation of matrix. Therefore, if we apply the row transformation, then we can write A equal to I into A, that is A equal to 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, and I is the arithmetic of 3 by 3 order, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now, applying for these elements have to be equal to 1, therefore we are applying R1 interchange to R2, then we have R1 interchange to R2, then 5, 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. This equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now, applying R1 tends to R1 minus 2 R2. R1 tends to R1 minus 2 R2. Then we have R1 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Next 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 minus 0. This is equal to 1. Next 0 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Next R2 and R3 does not change. 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 3 is equal to R1 tends to R2 minus R1 minus 2 into R2. Therefore, 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. This is equal to minus 2. And this is equal to 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. And this is equal to 0 minus 2 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next, for these elements have to be equal 0. Therefore, we applying R2 tends to R2 minus 2 into R1. Then we have R1 does not change, 1, 1, 2. Next, R2 minus 2 into R1. 2 minus 1 into 2, 0. Next, 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. This is equal to minus 2. Next, minus 1 into 2 into 2. Minus 1 into 4, minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Next, third row does not change. 0, 1, 3 is equal to R1 are same, minus 1, 0, and R2 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. For these elements 0 minus 2, minus 2. For these elements 0 minus 2 into 0, 0. And last row elements are 0, 0, 1 into A. Next, for these elements have to be equal 1. Therefore, we are applying R2 interchange to R3. That means the interchange is elements of R2, the corresponding elements with R3. 0 1 3 0 minus 2 minus 5. This equal to minus 2 1 0. This equal to 0 0 1 and 5 minus 2 0 into a. Next, for these elements have to be equal to 0. Therefore, we are applying R3 tends to R3 plus 2 into R2. Then we have the first and second row. Rows does not change. 1 1 2 0 1 3. For the third row, 0 plus 2 into 0 0 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 0 minus 5 plus 6 minus 5 plus 6 plus 1. This equal to plus 1 equal to minus 2 1 0 0 0 1, and for the last row 5 plus 2 into 0 5. This equal to 5, and minus 2 plus 2 into 0, this equal to minus 2, and 0 plus 2 into 1, this equal to 2. This is equal to 1, this equal to 0, this equal to 0, and this equal to 0, and this equal to 1, and this equal to 1. For these elements have to be equal to 0. Therefore, we are applying R1 tends to R1 minus R2. Then we have 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1. The second row are 0 1 3 0 0 1. This equal to R1 tends to R1 minus R2. Minus 2 minus 0 minus 2. Next 1 minus 0 1. Next 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 0 1 5 minus 2 2. Next, for these elements have to be equal 1. Oh, sorry, these elements have to be equal 0. Therefore, we are applying R1 tends to R1 plus R3. Then we have 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, and 0 1 3 0 0 1. This is equal to R1 plus R3 minus 2 plus 5 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1, 0 0 1 5 minus 2 2 into a. Next, for these elements have to be equal 0. Therefore, we are applying R2 tends to R2 minus 3 into R3. 3 into R3. Then we have 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is equal to 3 minus 1 1. R2 tends to R2 minus 3 into R3. 0 minus 3 into 5. 0 minus 15. This is equal to minus 15. Next, R2 minus 3 into R3. 0 minus 3 into minus 2. That means that equal to 6. Next, 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus 6. This equal to minus 5. 3 minus 1 1 minus 15, 6 minus 5. Next, the third row does not change. 5 minus 2 2. 5 minus 2 2 into A. Therefore, inverse matrix of A or A to the power minus 1 equal to this 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. This is the required answer. Inverse matrix of A is equal to this. Now we will discuss the numerical problems. Question 2. Find x if this x minus 5 minus 1 into this equal to O is a null matrix. Solution: x minus 5 minus 1 into 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 into is a null matrix. First, we multiply this and this matrix. Then we have here the order of this matrix is 1 by 3 and the order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Then the resultant matrix will be 1 by 3 matrix. Then we have x into x. Next, minus 5 into 0 0 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 2. Next, for second elements, we multiply first row second column. Then we have x into 0 0 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 minus 10. Next, minus 1 into 0 0. Next elements, we multiply first row third column. Then we have x into 2 2x minus 5 into 5 minus 5 minus 3. That this is equal to minus 8 into x 4 1. This is equal to the null matrix. Here the order of this matrix is 1 by 3 and order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Therefore, the resultant matrix would have 1 by 3 order matrix, because the number of row of first matrix is 1 and the number of column of the second matrix is 1. Therefore, the resultant matrix would have 1 by 1 order matrix. Then we multiply first row first column. Then we have x minus 2 into x. Then we have x square minus 2x plus minus 2 into 4. Minus 10 into 4 equal to minus 40. Next, 2x minus 8 into 1 plus 2x minus 8. This equal to null matrix. Then we have x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 2x plus 2x minus 40 minus 8 minus 48. This is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 48 equal to 0. Therefore, x square equal to 48. This equal to x square equal to 48, and therefore x equal to plus minus root 48. This equal to 48 to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Therefore, plus minus 4 into root 3. This is the value of x. X equal to plus minus 4 into root 3. If A and B are symmetric, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. We know that if A is a symmetric matrix, then A dash equal to A, and B is a symmetric matrix, then we can write B dash equal to B. We know that if A and B are two symmetric matrix, then A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B. Right? since A and B are two symmetric matrices. Therefore, we can write A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B. Therefore, now prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, AB minus BA whole dash equal to AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. Since we know that A minus B whole dash equal to A dash minus B dash. Therefore, transpose of A minus B equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Therefore, we can write AB minus BA whole dash. That means transpose of AB minus BA equal to transpose of AB minus transpose of BA. This is equal to, we know that also AB transpose of AB equal to B dash into A dash. Therefore, this can be written as A dash into B dash minus A dash into B dash. Therefore, given A and B are symmetric, therefore A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B. Therefore, B dash equal to B and A dash equal to A. Equal to A dash equal to A into B dash equal to B. Next, minus bracket AB minus BA. Since we know that if A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A dash equal to minus A. In previous class, we discussed if A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A dash equal to minus A. Here AB minus BA whole dash equal to minus AB minus BA. Therefore, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence proof.